Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Yesenia, and today what I want to show you is how to make menudo in an Instant Pot. And this is using a Power Quick pot. It's really quick, simple. You know, you just set it all in, walk away, and be done, and come back to some delicious menudo. So let's get started to show you what we're going to do today. So here, what I've done is add 1 pound of beef tripe, and you do want to rinse it really well, and I rinsed it twice. Also, I do have a Juanita's Mexican hominy, and this is what I use, but always go with the yellow store brand hominy. Also, I have el sazon para menudo, menudo seasoning, el guapo, and this is half a package. That's all it takes for a menudo recipe of this quantity. Also, I add in green chili, the entire green chili, and about 1 clove of garlic. This is minced garlic. Alright, a dash of pepper, and about 1.5 tablespoons of salt, but it's definitely up to your preference. Also, in addition to that is half an onion. That is definitely a must. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So what I'm going to do is pop the onion right in, add that dab of salt straight across, my pepper would be like about 1 teaspoon, and the garlic. Alright. Menudo seasoning going in. And this is so easy, and it's perfect quick meal. Go ahead and add in the hominy. Now, guys, I did add about 2 cups of water into this already, but you do want to add in all of this juice. Just going to give it a quick stir to get all of that incorporated. Now look at this. We're going to set this to pressure, 1 down, 2 beef. Let's go ahead and start this, and I'll see you back once it's ready. And there you have it, guys. This menudo is ready to devour and pair with the green onion and cilantro, and you cannot miss your bolillo with mantequilla, which is bread with butter. It definitely pairs perfectly. So enjoy, guys. I hope you make this at home. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for other recipes. I will be uploading the Ferrero Rocher flan recipe soon. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on other future videos.